Welcome to HSE Documents.
Every construction workplace must prioritize safety not just during day-to-day operations but also during emergencies. When a fire or other danger arises, emergency evacuation procedures ensure everyone can leave the area safely. Today we are going to discuss an important topic: emergency evacuation procedures on construction sites. Whether you're site manager, worker, or visitor, knowing these steps can save lives. First, every construction site must have clear and effective evacuation procedures to ensure people can escape danger areas quickly and safely. Players in these situations are fire marshals or fire wardens. These individuals take responsibility during a fire or emergency. Let's look at their duties: ensuring everyone evacuates safely using designated escape routes, searching all areas to confirm they're clear of occupants, keeping fire escape routes open and unobstructed, closing all doors and windows as they leave to contain the fire, conducting a roll call at the assembly area if senior management isn't available, meeting emergency services on arrival and sharing critical details, providing special assistance to anyone with disabilities or mobility challenges, often using equipment like evac chairs in multi-story buildings. Practicing these steps during fire drills is essential. Drills allow everyone on site to understand the evacuation process and help management test its effectiveness. Now, let's talk about an important aspect: provisions for people with disabilities. In emergencies, a personal emergency evacuation plan, or PEEP, ensures disabled individuals have a clear, safe method to exit the building. Emergency preparedness isn't just a checklist, it's a life-saving commitment. By implementing proper evacuation procedures, appointing responsible fire marshals, and planning for every individual's safety, we can ensure construction sites are ready for anything. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more health and safety tips. Stay safe out there.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos. Visit our website, hse-documents.com.